We are on board right now. We arrived about 2 hours ago.
Welcome to our cabin.
This is an interior Promenade View, and this is the maitre d'.
Be our guest.
If you look at it, we have a fantastic view of the promenade. This is the first time we're trying this type of cabin. We've been to a lot of different rooms, so I think it's worth a try. And it's great for people watching. That's our view from the window. We'll right on Regalia. It has a little couch there. We can sit and read a book. And the usual is us. Hello. Hello. And when we got here, this is our little little gift from AAA, where we booked all our cruises and a little fruit basket for us. That's nice of them. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you, Mark.
Of course, the usual thing. Maybe people will be interested also in finding what kind of sockets they have. So we have two there. And all the different cabinets and whatever. Can put some chapskis in there.
There's a lot of storage. See, down here we have
That's a mini fridge.
a little mini fridge. It's already warm.
Is it cold at all? It's warm?
No, not really.
Okay.
But it'll get there.
Well, it's not supposed to be that.
Yeah, there's tables on either side of the room.
And a little couch right here. I think you can. I don't know if this is a pull. No, it's not a pull-out bed. It's really just for two. That's small. I don't know. Maybe this is a 24 or 32-inch TV. Of course, the bed. I think this is two doubles put together.
And of course, you've got the TV.
I think you're getting a phone call.
Okay. Getting the TV, you're getting storage. You got some bottom storage as well.
Let's go look at the cabinets right here. Okay, that's where the safe is. And more racks. Most important thing also is your life jacket. Plenty of hangers. You don't need to bring one. On the other side will be the bath. It's pretty standard. It's a nice.
So the shower, it has a round. They've gotten away from the curtains. It's on these rounded doors, and it's taller. So even a bigger person like me could have more or less space for it for doing what we need to do in here.
Yeah, it's pretty standard.
It's standard. Nothing spectacular, but it's good.
All right. And so we're gonna try to see what we can do. We don't have our luggage yet, so we're waiting for it. And we'll get a little bit cleaned up and just rest for a little bit before. What else is next there is to do is we'll look for some things to do. All right.
All right, so stay with us. We'll check in with you periodically. It is now 14:55 hours, 2:50 in the afternoon for those on American time.